What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. We're all looking for a good deal on CR123 batteries. And I may have found one here. Hey, I've got my Olight here. It uses two CR123s. And basically, if you don't want to get the rechargeable kind, you want the CR123A lithium batteries. Now, hey, I found these by Morpilot. It's 16 pieces, but that's not the best part. The best part about them is they're really inexpensive, and apparently they appear at least to be pretty high capacity. So I thought I'd just pull these out here and show them to you, and then we'll see if they actually work. So non-rechargeable, so don't try to recharge them. Now, so many of these types of batteries advertise 700-800 milliamp hours, but these are actually 1500 milliamp hours. Apparently, that's what they advertise, and 3 volts. So I have 2 of them here. Let's see if they work. This is obviously a non-rechargeable one. I love the Olights, but this one doesn't come with their wireless charging, so I'm going to put these in here because it's a great light nonetheless. And then I'm going to close this down. Boom. All right, now let's see if it turns back on. Boom! Look at that. Super bright. This Olight is absolutely wicked awesome. But on top of that, I love the fact that I can get a pack of batteries for about $1 a battery here, 16 of these things with that type of capacity. It's pretty awesome. So if you want to check these out, these Morpilot CR123s, feel free to buy them at the link in the description. Helps the channel out. Peter Von Panda, out.